Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a hair tutorial and I'm showing you how I take some old curls, revamp and refresh them into a loose, effortless, beachy wave hairstyle. Okay, if you haven't noticed already, I did change up my hair. I am back to lighter hair and I'm loving, you know, how it looks right now, and I get to play with different hairstyles and use different tools and products. I usually switch it up what I use depending on how my hair is looking and what style I'm going for. And because it's warmer weather, I usually go for kind of a loose, effortless, beachy wave, slept in hair look. So that is what I'm going to show you in this tutorial. These are old curls that are left over from a style I did a couple days ago. My hair is on its second or third day, so I'm going to show you when I'm in a hurry and I need to kind of refresh my hair, what tools and products I use to restyle it. It has been a couple days since I washed my hair, and I don't like washing my hair every single day if I don't have to, just because I feel like it really dries out my hair and my ends, and I like the look of my hairstyles when my hair is a little dirty. So what I use to keep it clean and smelling fresh longer without having to wash my hair every day is using a dry shampoo. My favorite dry shampoo is the EVA NYC Freshen Up Dry Shampoo. I have used this for almost a year now and it smells so amazing. So this is going to absorb any excess oil, it keeps hair fresh longer, and it's for all hair types. I seriously swear the smell is what sold me because it smells so good. I would use it as a perfume if I could. So I consider this like my hair perfume because, you know, when you don't wash your hair for a couple days, it doesn't smell that great. And if you smell it, other people smell it. So this is great for covering up that scent, but also really keeping your hair nice and clean, absorbing any of that excess oil. So this is my lifesaver.
I like to shake the bottle up first, and then I lift and spray the dry shampoo in my roots where I typically get oily, and then massage it into my scalp so it's distributed evenly.
I'm not going to use a curling iron for my hair because that just takes up too much time. I do have some wave left in my hair, so I'm just going to fix some of the pieces that need straightening on the end, fix my bangs, and add a little wave, you know, throughout with a straightener. The straightener I'm going to use is from EVA NYC. This is their Healthy Heat Ceramic Styling Iron, and I love how cute this is. So it is a galaxy themed print. I love it. They also have a blow dryer and a curling iron also in this print, so they have a couple different tools available. But this is the one that I picked out, which I love, that they sent for me, so thank you so much. And how cute is this galaxy theme?
I typically like to part my hair down the center, and then I clip up different areas of my hair so I can work in smaller sections. For this hairstyle, I like my ends to be straight, so I straighten my ends, and then probably halfway down from my root, I like to give myself a little wave with the straightener, and I just do this all throughout my hair. To give a little lift and volume to my bangs, I usually straighten them up and back away from my face, and then at the root, it just gives a little volume.
Alright, so I touched up my hair with that straightener, and I just like to straighten the ends and kind of add a messy wave throughout. So now I'm going to add some volume to the base of my hair. You guys know I love big volumized hair. So I'm using this EVA NYC. This is the Zero Gravity Volume Powder, and I'm just going to sprinkle this right at the base, kind of rub and massage it in, and this should give me a little bit of volume before I start teasing.
Just to give a little bit more volume at my root, I'm just back combing some sections around the top of my head, and this will just give an extra lift.
I still can't get over how much volume I get with just this powder. It's crazy. I didn't even use any hairspray. That's the crazy thing. So, love this stuff. So now I'm going to move on to adding a little bit more texture to my hair. So my hair is kind of fluffy, especially on the ends and in certain areas. So I kind of want to add some texture. I love kind of that bedhead, beachy, textured look. So the product I'm going to use, which again, I have used this for like a year now. This is the Surf's Up Texture Spray. This stuff also smells amazing. It's for beachy waves and insane volume for all hair types. So this is my secret weapon.
I like to lift up different sections of my hair and spray this texture spray in the hair. This will just give more texture throughout, and then I shake it and run my fingers through and kind of scrunch that product into my hair. So this is what my hair looked like before, and this is what it looks like after.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this hair tutorial. Thank you so much EVA NYC for sending me these products. It's really cool to finally be able to collaborate with them because I have been using their products for over a year now, and it's really cool to finally work with a brand that has some really cool hair products. So if you guys like this video, please let me know, and if you want to see more hair tutorials from me, I will keep them coming if you guys want them. And I will list all the products I use down below, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.